You ready?
Good job.
Good
Hugs and
job.
kisses.
Oh, mwah. What a big
Hugs
boy.
and kisses.
You want to do it again?
Ooh, again. That's good job.
Go ahead, get back on the chair.
Now for the tough part.
You can do it.
Where's your other leg?
Do you need help? Here. Here, Mommy help you. Come on. Come see Mommy. Come on, buddy.
Wheel of Fortune on.
Come on. You don't know that one?